Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Redmi 12 device, and now I can show you how to recover deleted photos and videos from the recycle bin on your Redmi 12 device. So firstly, open the gallery. As you can see, I have one photo here and I will remove it to show you how it works. So now photo was removed, but not permanently. So the photo you will remove from normal gallery will be stored in the recycle bin during 30 days, and after this time, only after 30 days, the photo you have removed will be removed permanently. So open gallery or open albums, find your deleted items. Here you will see your deleted photos, and now you need to click restore, go back and click photos, and as you can see, photo was successfully restored. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.